Road's pretty rough this morning.
It is.
Not only the side streets, but the interstates as well. All of the counties in southeast Wisconsin, here they are in purple under a winter weather advisory. This goes until noon today. We've been watching the DOT cameras. The plows are out. We've seen them, but most of the interstates still snow covered at this point. I'm looking up just to the top of the screen there, 94 in Calhoun. One lane is open right now. The rest is snow covered. So we have the snow covered interstates. That also means the ramps are snow covered. The side streets are snow covered, and they're very, very slick. This is the light and fluffy snow. When you're driving and your headlights hit it, it looks like glitter. So it's great. It's fluffy. Clearing the driveway will be a breeze. 2 swipes and it will be clear. But that's the very slick snow. This is the stuff that creates very slick conditions on the roads. Also poor visibilities. It's very light. It's very fluffy. It blows around. It suspends in the air. So not only slick roads, but also reduced visibilities. Here's a look from our Marquette camera right now. Notice the snow-covered roadways here. The side streets, things moving pretty slow. You see that city bus just going out of the picture right there, but just inching along. And I think that will be the trend for most of us going through the day today. 17 degrees at Mitchell International right now. Wind's not too bad, only 9 miles an hour, enough to create a wind chill, also enough to blow some of that snow around. I don't think blowing snow a huge problem, but a few of those open spots might be susceptible to a little bit of drifting. Storm 4 Max radar, here's the issue. Yesterday it looked like this was going to take more of a northeast track. Look how much it's pushed up to the north. That's why we're seeing a little bit more snow than what we first expected. Most of this snowfall accumulations, at least the heaviest amounts, will be south of 94. You see some of those darker blue and purple shades through Racine and Kenosha County, Walworth County as well. Few reports already, about 2 to 3 inches. We'll add about an inch to that. Even through Milwaukee and even southern Ozaki County, a decent amount of accumulations as well. As we zoom in on downtown, here's what's going to happen. Snowfall amounts will be very, very sporadic, because look how sporadic these little pockets of some heavier snowfall is. So you might get 2 to 3 inches in one spot, drive 15 miles, and you're at 3 to 4 inches. So we'll have a wide range, but a heavier amounts farther down to the south, where we continue to see some of these darker purple shades pop up through the day today. Visibility is right now anywhere from 0 to less than a mile for a lot of us. So again, that snow continues to blow around. Future forecast keeping this around till 5:30 this morning, 6, 7 o'clock. We're still dealing with some snow. If you think back to last Sunday, the Super Bowl, it looked like the snow was going to come to an end, and then it was back building. Same situation today. So if you're looking at radar, it looks like it might exit, but I think we build a few more rounds behind it. So we'll keep the snowfall around till about 10, 11 o'clock before that begins to wrap up going into the afternoon. Most of us south of 94, 3 to 4 inches. Isolated spot, maybe a little bit more than that. 2 to 4 along the I-94 corridor. 1 to 3 for most of us north of Milwaukee. It will just be our far northwestern spots where total's a little bit less, only around an inch for northwest Fond du Lac County and Dodge County. 21 degrees today, morning snow, and then decrease in clouds going in through the afternoon. I should say the evening time frame. Tonight we're cold, 3 degrees, mostly clear skies. That fresh blanket of snow really keeping us cool. Most of us falling to near zero, a few of us even sub-zero, but when you factor in the wind, all of us will see wind chills below 0 tonight. We're cold for Monday with sunshine, and then here's the midweek thaw, 30s to 40s, maybe a sprinkle or a flurry on Thursday, but nothing significant. Finally, Julia, a break from all the precipitation through the week ahead.